is embedded. First create custom shape. Okay, like this one. Fill with color. Now go to 3D. New 3D extrusion from selected layer. Yes, and you can see. Now we have 5 options. Rotate the 3D object, roll the 3D object, drag, slide and scale. So rotate, you can rotate this. Yes. Roll the 3D object, you can roll it. You can drag it anywhere. Here. 3D new, see, move object to ground plane, it will come here. Then this is slide the 3D object, like zoom out, far. Okay. And this one scale, zoom in, zoom out. Okay. This is front inflation material, you can see. Shine you can change. Okay, see more right. Front bevel material. Okay. This is extrusion. This one back. See. Okay. And if you click here, you can change extrusion depth, like so. Okay, and from here shape preset, like see. Yes. See. This one is also good. Okay. Infinite light one, you can see their shadow. Okay. See. Okay. Now if you click on click here and change the workspace essentials, click on layer, like background, you can see. See what it was, and now you can see
here
essentials. Okay. Okay. Now we will discuss about something today, about video. Okay. Create default Photoshop size. Okay. And select from here motion. Okay. So when you select motion, you can see this panel. Okay, this is timeline panel. Okay. Now see each and everything. Now there are two options. Okay. Create video timeline or create frame animation. Okay. So अव्वल we will do create frame video timeline and बाद create frame animations. Select create video timeline and click on create video timeline. Okay. Now first understand these things. Okay, try to understand these things.
Okay.
This is called 30 FPS. FPS means frames per second. What? Frames per second. Okay. So there are 30 frames, 30 images per second. Okay. and this is zoom in and zoom out of this one. Okay, this layer. Right now we have background layer 0. Okay, and if you click here, you can also zoom from here. Okay, and this one you can see this is called playhead. Okay, like if you move, you can see now this 1 2 seconds. This is 2 seconds frame, and the last one is frame. The first one is hours. Okay, you know, saats. Okay, and second is minutes. Al Dakrai. And seconds. Okay, so hours, saat, minutes, seconds, and frames. Okay, this is the time of the video, exactly, of this layer. Okay, so this is 5 seconds. 4 minutes 29 seconds. So 29 seconds, sorry, 29 frames. The 29 frames means 1 second, because there are 30 frames per second. So this is 5 seconds. Okay, this is called playhead. What we call that? Playhead. Okay, from here we can play. Okay, and this is go to next frame. Like, see, if you click here, so it go to 1 frame, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Frame are changing. When there will be 29 frames, then it will be next keyframe
30.
Very good, 30. But 13 is equal to very good 1 second. Okay, then again 1 second, 2 second, 10, and when you will go like here 29, then it will be 2 seconds now. Okay, and you can see when I'm doing this, playhead also changing. Okay, so remember, this is our layer 0, that is background. You can right click, or simple, you can double click and type here like background. Okay, this is a background. Okay, now we can do like what we can do. We can type text, horizontal type tool, type here something. Okay, now see, this is text layer.
Yeah.
Okay, and this one is background. Okay, so now if you click on text layer, click here, so you can see there are 4 options: transform, opacity, style, and text wall. Arbad ikhtiyar. Okay, so there are 4 options. And you can, you know, use them, and now you will see what are these 4 options. Okay, so this is called time vary stop watch. What it's called? Time vary stop watch. Time vary stop watch. Watch. Mhm. So if you click, see, enable keyframe animation. Enable keyframe animation. So now we are going to discuss what keyframe animation. Okay, keyframe animation in Adobe Photoshop CC 2017. Okay, tamam. So what we will click, like transform, click here. Okay, when you can see, when I click here, one keyframe will appear here. See, okay, and where the playhead is 0 0 0 second 0 0 frame. Okay, well start. Now if you move this for example till 2 seconds, okay, and add, this is called add or remove keyframe. What? Add or remove keyframe at playhead. Okay, idafa or tarha keyframe. Okay? Add or remove idafa or izala. Okay, so this, see, idafa, one more keyframe will appear here. Okay, now at this point at 2 seconds, this is called transform controls, huh?
Transform control.
So if you press and hold alt plus shift अवध वाल istimrar, alt plus shift, so to change size proportionally like this. Okay, then press enter.
And
So now this is between 2 frames from 0 second to 2 second.
2 seconds.
Okay, so if you move this here and then play a video from here, see. Okay, you can uncheck show transform control. Now play the video, see.
Also we play something.
Hmm.
Any audio,
Huh?
music, anything.
Anything, everything we can add. Then we will go to 4 seconds. Okay, and we will add one more from here, you know, the isles from here. So add or remove keyframe. Now at this point we will change like this again till okay. Then if you will play for example, show transform control uncheck. Now see, from 0 to 2 seconds it will be zoom in. Then see. Okay, so this one what we discussed how to use, how to create text tool in video when you are creating something video, you know, from scratch. So if you want to add the titles, so how you will create a text and how you will apply transform options. The main thing you have to understand this interface, you know. So if you click, see, this is audio track. Okay, this is background and this is text layer, huh? This is audio track layer, see. So if you click here plus icon and then click and find any mp3 file if you have. Okay, adding audio clips. It will be more than 5 seconds. You know, our video is till 5 seconds. See, this is now audio until like this, so you can see. Okay, and if you want to delete, just delete it. Okay. And if you go to file and click export and render video.
Render video.
Okay. Okay, and type here like .mp4, select folder where like desktop. Okay, and format will be h.264. Okay, preset high quality and size is the same as we have done, and just click on the enter.
We cannot use video from computer.
We can use also. First, we are doing something from scratch. We can use from computer also, like something if video you have. So how to edit videos, that also I will show you. Okay. If you right click